morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. I'm excited this morning, if you can't tell. If you have been on this channel for like any amount of time, you have probably heard me talk time and time again about like how travel and the salt water and the sun affect my skin and my hair, and going back and forth traveling between Ontario, which is where I'm from, which is like a really humid or more humid province in Canada than where I live now in Edmonton, Alberta, which is very dry and the weather is, I want to say, a little more severe. Either way, travel has done a number on my hair and skin. So when I got the email in my inbox, the alert that I was going to be receiving a complimentary Neostrata skincare, like skin defense line system package, I was so excited. It feels like it's been months that I've been waiting. It hasn't been, but it's finally here. So I am going to test it out for you guys today and show you guys a little bit about how it works and just like, you know, hope that it doesn't burn my face off. Yeah. Because that's a real fear for me when it comes to things that have the word peel in them. We can unpack that later. So before I get started, I just wanted to show you guys my box. Yes. I hear what I just said. While this is not a paid promotion, I am obligated to let you guys know that this was given to me for free, so bear that in mind. Comes with a little card inside letting me know that I got a restoring facial cleanser, soap-free, oil-free, and fragrance-free cleanser. Dual acid anti-aging peel, which is the one that I am most excited and also most terrified for. Restore Bionic face cream, which I'm all about. And then also an antioxidant defense serum. Now let's get these products out and then just get on with this whole thing, shall we? Ooh. Little unpacking ASMR. Do you like the way that sounds? So here are all of my products. Let's just get this party started, shall we? Okay, so this is the actual skin peel face mask treatment. My skin feels soft, but like I understand that I look a hot mess, just so you know. So for anything that is a peel, I like to be very specific with the instructions. There isn't a ton of instructions that come with this, but it basically says that it can be used 1 to 3 times weekly in the evening on the face and neck. Apply on the skin using a cotton pad, avoid eye and lips, and leave on for 20 minutes as tolerated. Tolerated being the key word. So let's give this a go. All right, let's get that timer going.
2,000 years later.
Okay, looks like we're good to go. Okay, so now that that is washed off, the final step is the Bionic face cream. So I'm going to apply this lightly. There is also an antioxidant defense serum. Let's see if that's gonna focus for you. But you're not supposed to use it the day of or morning after your peel. But this cream is supposed to hydrate, soothe, and smooth your skin. And all those things just sound great to me. Brilliant. Take my hair down now. Come on. So my final thoughts on the Neostrata skincare system. Obviously, this is the first time that I've used it, so these are first impressions, not like an overall. I don't know if I'm gonna look any younger after using this for a couple weeks, but I will get back to you with that information. For now, I'm going to say that I had no skin irritation, which I was a little bit worried about because Alberta, where I live, is really, really dry, especially right now. So with my skin, I'm always really worried that things are gonna like sting or tingle or hurt my skin because it's so dry, and I didn't have any problem with that at all with the peel or the like soothing cream that you put on afterwards. Obviously, I did not try the antioxidant diffusing serum, but I imagine that will show up somewhere on my Instagram account or the TL Travel blog at some point. So if you guys want to head over there, give me a follow, give me a like, all of those fun things, then you can sort of stay up to date with what kind of travel sized products we like, what kind of skincare things we really enjoy. And then of course, all of the travel related content that's over there is just, I mean, if you like the YouTube channel, then you're gonna love the inspiration that you get on our Instagram feed. But that is going to be it for me for today. If anything does sort of happen that I feel that you need to know about skin wise, as this all sort of settles in, I'll be sure to hop back on and let you guys know. But if you don't hear from me at the end of this vlog, then you can just assume that all is well and my face is feeling young and smooth and healthy and a little maybe less sun damaged than it usually is from all of our world travels. So if you like this kind of content and travel content in general, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we have a ton of content coming up for you in the new year. So many things that I'm so excited to share with you guys. Some new spots, some old spots, and just some typical TL Travel style content revamped. So hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. What if it just like cut to a clip of me like, oh my gosh, my face burned off?